Hi guys, welcome to tutorialrays. In this video you are going to learn how if, elif and else works in Python. So normally in all other programming languages there is if, else if and else, but in case of the Python here in place of else if it is used elif. So let me show you with practical example that how this programming construct works. So let's create a new file called if.py. Now in the previous video I had displayed you that how input works. So let me copy the whole code here rather than typing this. So two numbers I'm entering here, a and b, and rather than doing this sum I will write here if a greater than b, then print a is greater than b. Elif since there are only two numbers, so there will be else directly here. Else print b is greater than a. Now let's save it and then run this program. So I'll write here Python, then space if.py. So enter first number, I'm entering here 20 and last number 34. So you can see b is greater than a here. So I enter this one is showing here b is greater than a. Now again let's run this program and try with some different number. So this time I'm entering here 20 and second number 12. So you can see this time it is displaying that a is greater than b. So this way this if works. Now suppose I'm going to add one new number, say c here. So c and then enter third number. So here will be if a greater than b and a greater than c as well. In that case a is greater than b and c, and here one more condition will be here, elif b greater than a and b greater than c. In that case print then here b is greater than a and c, or else c is greater than a and b. So how this is working, as you can see here we are using the AND operator. So we are checking past if a is greater than b and a is also greater than c. In that case it will display here a is greater than a, b and c. If b is greater than a as well as b is greater than c, in that case it will display b is greater than a and c. If both the numbers, two numbers, are not greater, in that case the third number will automatically be greater. So now let's try with example. Now let's run this code again. So Control S, save it, and then run this program again. So it is asking, so this time I'm inputting 10, 11 and 12. So as you can see, C is greater than this is the first number, this is the second number, and this is the third number. So after checking, it is displaying that C is greater than A and B, which is true because C is 12, which is greater than 10 and 11. Now try with this different number. So this time again run the code, and this time enter 30 and then 34 and 12. So this time B is greater, it is displaying that B is greater than A and C, which is correct. Now let's try to enter the last number greater. So this time 12, 34 and the last number 50. So this time, as you can see, C is greater than A and B, which is correct. So this way, if, elif and else works. So that's it in this program. So I hope you understand and like this video. Thanks for watching.